To make this spinach veggie soup with egg fluffies, we are going to need spinach 250 gram. I bought this spinach with 75% discount. If you want to know how to save money on grocery shopping, watch the videos linked in description box. I am going to be using carrots and potatoes out of the €3 little waste box. Again, I'll leave the related videos to watch in the description box. I'll need 2 eggs, 25 grams of butter, 40 grams of flour, seasonings, garlic clove, 1 onion. Start by cutting carrots and potatoes. Once chopped, rinse them under cold water. Pour water into a large pot and put your veggies in. Cook on medium heat. In meantime, prepare spinach. Chop it fine and rinse under cold water. Carrots and potatoes need to be cooked for about 15 to 20 minutes before we add spinach. Cut onion into a half and burn it a bit on a gas stove. This step is optional. Add burnt onion into the soup. Heat up pan and add butter. Let it melt. Once butter is melted, add slowly flour and keep stirring. Whisk 2 eggs in a bowl. Using fork, pour the egg into the soup. Add seasonings. Enjoy!